Today we're going to take a look at the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. Now this part is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the Buick Verano vehicle starting in the year 2012. On any custom fit part, what I always recommend is to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now this harness will provide this 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights. Connects very quickly and easily. Basically, you just locate your connection points in the rear cargo area, plug in these T connectors, one on each side, ground this white wire, and then run this hot wire or power wire to the vehicle's battery to supply power to the converter, and you'll be all ready to go. Now this harness does include this tail light converter, and this is to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a powered module, that's why you would connect it to the battery. And connecting it to the battery allows you to it helps you avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. The converter itself is constructed using SMT Technology, which is surface mount technology, and that technology gives you a consistent, reliable performance. It'll maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat. It'll also ensure superior operation in any rough road conditions. The other nice thing is, if you notice, it comes with this dust cap for the 4-way. Basically what you can do with this is just attach it to the 4-way connector, and you can leave it on there if you like, but when you're not plugged into your trailer, you can just pop your dust cap over the terminals and it protects them from any damage or from the elements. Now a few specs on this: the maximum amperage for the stop and turn light circuits is 3 amps per circuit. On the tail light circuit is 6 amps total. Now this part comes with everything shown here. It even comes with a nice set of detailed instructions that describe how to install it, and even gives you pictures of where your points are to connect it to. But simply, when you go to install this, what you would do is go to the rear of your vehicle, and then again you locate your connection points, which are in the rear cargo area, and you'll find connectors that'll match these. And what you'll do is you want to start on the driver's side and take the T connector that has the yellow wire in it and pull apart your connectors, and then plug this or T it into the wiring harness. And then again you'll have this white wire with the eyelet on it. That you'll want to connect to a good clean ground. So if you have one nearby, you can do it. If you need to make one, just drill a hole and use the grounding screw they include. And then you'll take the other T connector that has this length of green wire. That's for the passenger side. Run this over to the passenger side. Again, unplug your connectors, plug this into that. And then what you want to do is you have this black wire, which is your power wire, that you need to run to the front of the vehicle to connect to the battery. Before you do that, what you want to do is, on your converter, you don't want this bouncing around, so they include this piece of double-face tape that you can put on it and attach it so it doesn't move around to a nice flat surface. So you'll take your black power wire here, and they'll give you this extra length of wire. You'll take your included butt connector, put it on the power wire, connect it to one end of this length of wire, and then you'll run this length of wire all the way up to the front of your vehicle. Once you get to the front with this other, or the front of the vehicle with this other end, you don't want to connect this directly to the vehicle, to the battery. You want to run it through an inline fuse holder. So they include this inline fuse holder. So again, you'll take your connector, put it on one end, connect it to that power wire coming up front. On the other end, you'll take the eyelet connector and install that, and then this is what you'll connect to the positive post of your battery. Once that's all connected, just pop open your fuse holder. Take your included 10 amp fuse, put it into there you go, push it in, and then just put your cap over there, and then your fuse is all installed. Now your harness is all ready to plug in and supply lights back to your trailer. But that should do it for the review on the Curt T connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.